Welcome back to Have Fun, Let's Travel. I'm Jeremy. In this video, I'll show you some of the rides that are made especially for your little ones. Adults, you can ride these too, but keep in mind, things can get a little tight. Elephant March takes you on a ride on a flying elephant and lets you soar towards the sky. FireHouse Play Place allows you to climb and slide in an obstacle course designed to help you get ready for a call. FireHouse Splash Yard lets you cool off in the fire district in a maze of squirting jets and fire hoses. Fireman's Flyers is for your little firefighters as they swing into action in this low-flying ride which pays homage to the red, white, and blue. Grand Exposition Coaster is a great opportunity to introduce children to the rush of the excitement that you felt with your first roller coaster ride. Happy Frogs jumps leaps and bounds above the ground for a rousing game of leapfrog. Ladybugs allows your little ones to ride on the backs of some of the most gentle and inquisitive creatures around. Lucky's Dizzy Dogs takes you on a ride on a bumpy and bouncy practice run around a supersized fire hydrant. Up the Ladder lets the little ones complete fire training as they scale the fireman's ladder. Wings of Wonder lets you soar through the summer sky like a beautiful butterfly. Each of these rides is guaranteed to put a huge smile on your little ones' faces. Be sure to check out the description for a printable tip sheet to bring with you to the park so you don't forget any of these time and money saving tips. If you got anything out of this video, a simple like would be greatly appreciated. It really helps the channel grow. On the video shown here, we'll take a look at Silver Dollar City after dark, where the park stays open late, allowing you to experience night rides, free concerts, fireworks, a drone show, and a lot more. Thanks for watching. Tell a friend.